Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny G. I hope everyone is doing great and safe. For today's look, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful blue greens eye look. If you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. If you like this video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm going to start using this concealer, and this one is from Milani in medium beige tone. I am applying this concealer all over my lid. I'm blending with this little sponge. I like it because it's very easy to blend these areas of my eyes. Now I am going to apply a little of this primer, and now I am going to blend all over my lid. I'm going to set my concealer with this translucent powder. This one is from RCMA. I go measure. I don't have none crease on my eyes because when it's a crease in your eyes, it's very hard to put the eyeshadow in. For the look today, I'm going to be using these eyeshadows, and this one is from Bella. I'm going to start with this dark color. I am using this brush, and this one is from BH Cosmetic. I'm going to start applying my color on my outer V. I am just packing this color. It's a beautiful blue. And again, I'm just applying this color and blending this color out. And I'm just packing in the outer V. Now I'm going to blend a little more this color. I'm not taking the color in, I'm just blending it in the corner. With this side of the brush, this one is clean. I'm going to be taking this color and I'm going to apply close where I apply the blue one, most in the center. I'm just tapping this color in the center. Now I'm blending these colors together. With another brush, I am going to be blending this color. I'm going to do little circles in here. Very tiny circles. Now I'm going to be blending these colors together on my crease. Turning the brush with the dark blue and blending these colors together. Next, I'm using this color. This one is a light blue. I'm packing this color close to the blue one. I'm going to be blending these colors together. From this Morphe palette, I'm going to be grabbing this light green and I'm going to be putting it close. I'm going to be grabbing this light color. Color is beautiful, you guys can see. I'm going to wet the brush, that way this color is more bright. And I'm going to pack this color. I'm gonna let the color like that. So now I'm gonna start blending these edges. I'm taking this black and applying this color on my other V, and I am going to be blending this color too. Now I'm going to be blending the black eyeshadow with the dark blue. With the same brush, I blend this color. I'm going to be blending again. I'm going to apply these two eyeshadows and I'm going to start applying it with my fingers. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on top this two light blue. Just like this. You guys can see the blues is still in there. I'm taking this blue. This color, I am going to start blending the lines, that way no harsh lines. I'm taking the dark blue and applying it close to the corners again to kind of blend the colors together. Now I'm going to be blending these colors and cleaning my brush every time I pass for the color. And I'm just blending in very small tiny circles. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner and I'm using this one from L'Oreal. I'm using this brush and this one is from BH Cosmetic. I already applied my eyelashes and today I am wearing two eyelashes. For primer, I am using this one from Rimmel London and this one is the Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. I'm going to apply now a little of this from e.l.f. and this one is the Poreless Putty Primer. This primer, I am just applying it around these areas. And next, I am applying foundation and I am going to be applying this too. This one is from Mary Kay and this one is from Wet n Wild. I'm applying my foundation with this brush and this one is from Real Techniques. These two foundations are beautiful together. They blend very nice together. I'm taking my foundation to my neck. I'm blending my foundation with this sponge, and this one is from Sonia Cashew. For concealer, I'm using this one, and this one is from Milani. I almost finished this concealer, and I love this concealer, but I don't know what I'm gonna do because now you cannot go out. I'm applying this concealer all around my dark circles. I am applying a little of this Tarte concealer too, just a little. And I'm going to blend my concealer with this sponge. This one is from e.l.f. Looks very nice. When I do these areas over here on my eyes, I like to use this one because this one is very small. It's very easy to blend the concealer in these areas with this little tiny sponge. I'm going to set my concealer with this powder, and this one is from RCMA. I'm going to make sure I don't have none crease on my dark circles. Before I set the rest on my face, I'm going to be applying this highlight just a little in these high cheekbones. I'm going to apply a little of this contour stick on my forehead. For my nose, I'm going to be using a brush. I am using the little sponge I used to blend the concealer, and I'm kind of taking the color into my hair, into my hairline. For bronze, I'm using this one, and this one is from Wet n Wild. I like to start close to my hairlines, and now I'm gonna apply on my cheeks, and I'm applying on these areas on my jaw. For my nose, I like to use this color, and this one is from Essence. And for my nose, I like to use a little more like gray tone. Then I am blending again with a little sponge. Now I am going to use this Milani bronze. It has a little shimmer in it, and I love the... For blush, I'm going to be applying this one, and just I'm taking a little of this color. I'm taking this blush, and I am applying this blush on top of another one. And the highlight I'm going to be using is this one. I'm going to be using a powder. It's the same tone of my color, and this powder is from Fig Me. I just put it over here in this container because it's more easy for me because this one has a lid. I'm going to be blending everything together. That way everything looks very nice. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows out of camera, so I'll be right back. As you can see, I already changed my clothes. I already did my hair. On my eyebrows, I'm using these two pomades, and this one's are for LA Girl. I still feel the soft black still is a little brown for me. I don't know, I still like learning to work with this too. Now I'm going to start working on my lash line, and I'm gonna start using the dark blue. I am grabbing this brush, and this one is from e.l.f. I'm just applying this in the corner. First, I'm gonna apply eyeliner, and this one is from Mary Kay. This is black. Using another brush, and this one is from e.l.f. too. I'm grabbing this color, and I'm applying it in the middle. With my brush wet, I'm grabbing more color. That way the colors are more intense. I am going to clean my brush. I'm going to grab this color. Now I'm gonna apply this color close to the blue one. Now I'm going to be start blending these two colors together. I'm going to be grabbing the more light color. I am applying to the green color I applied from another eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it in here. I'm going to blend all the colors together. I am applying a little of these two colors just over here, just a little. On this palette, I'm taking this light color, and this color I'm applying it in here. That way I clean this area. Now with a clean brush, I'm going to blend everything together. For my lips, I am using this lip pencil, and this one is from MK Makeup. And I'm using this contour stick too as a lipstick, and a little of this lip gloss of Buxom setting spray. I'm using this from Frony. This is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.